Being confident on camera can be overwhelming, a lot of stress. But I'm gonna tell you, this skill helps you with in-person networking, with sales calls, in an online space, and even in person. Because in order for you to grow in the entrepreneurial space, you need to be confident on camera, especially if you're hosting a webinar, a masterclass, courses. So I wanna give you a quick disclaimer that confidence on camera does not come overnight. You have to be open to being embarrassed. Let's get into these strategies of how to get confident on camera. Number one, which is a lot of the foundation I do, we work together. You need to figure out who you're talking to. I'm confident. I know exactly who I'm talking to. I know how I could show up. I can come up on a messy bun. I understand who I'm talking to. Coming on here and acting like we're FaceTiming. That's one of the reasons why I think I went from 0 to almost 12K on TikTok, is because I turn on my camera like I'm FaceTiming people. Because I'm just thinking about my ideal client. You need to hear this message. Number two is deciding what your ideal client wants to watch. I understand people don't have time to just be learning and not implementing. A lot of the videos that I create here, specifically on YouTube, are short and concise, but actionable. You're gonna get results from it. That's where the confidence comes from, because I know that if you watch my video, you're gonna get results. For example, I am doing a 14-day course creation series, and I know that if you just go through the 14 days and you'll be able to create a course. Another way to be confident on camera is scripts, cue cards. I remember when I was starting live video, one thing that helped me was little sticky notes right where the camera is. You won't be able to even see that I'm doing notes. For YouTube, I script. That is a non-negotiable for me. I use Notion and I use my content calendar with a remade template that I made for myself that it includes the scripting, that includes the checklist, because I'm not gonna just go in and just do a video because I'm gonna do a video. I need some type of guide. Some people, it's not even for them. But I think that for you and me, we didn't necessarily start being confident on camera. Have a script. I'm not saying word per word script. Have main ideas. You will see how much more confident you will be on camera when you know what you're gonna talk about. Tell me in the comments how you're liking this so far. Confidence on camera is something I've had to personally work through. I hope that it's helping you. I wanted to quickly tell you about the Brand to Profit Plan, a program that goes over personal branding, creating your first online product that you can start selling, integrating email marketing, a program that is to the point but will get you results. Even if you're a mom, work full time, this program is for you. I have the link if you think that's something for you, but let's get back to the video. Number 4 is practicing out loud. That's something that I learned from my mom. I want to say mom or dad. I don't know. One of them told me that in Spanish, in order for me to really start articulating my words, reading out loud is going to help. Practicing out loud, you just feel more confident. Listening to your own voice, hitting record for the first time, that will be a familiar thing. It's just part of the confidence building. Next thing that may help is having someone there with you. Maybe telling your friend like, hey, can you come with me? Help me do the techie stuff. Watch me and tell me what I can improve on. You may need some guidance, some help. And my friend can be like, actually, you have zero energy right now. Pick it up. Or I don't know where to position myself to where I look good on camera, or at a different type of angle, or the lighting. Even if you're shy, it's okay. Ask for help. You are going to have to practice though, because how are you going to get better if you don't know? One of the main ways that you can get better is live video. I talk about live video all the time. I'll link all of my live video trainings that I've done right below this video. You could do it on Instagram. Even if it's on practice mode, do it on Instagram. But TikTok, going live there because you get exposed to people that would probably never see you if you were on Instagram. TikTok pushes out your video to new audiences. You want to find new audiences. The rule is you cannot erase it. Those micro little wins are gonna help you get way more confident on camera. Build a ritual around that. Maybe it's putting on your favorite earrings, lashes, maybe having a cup of coffee or a mocktail right before you're gonna get ready, getting mentally prepared, maybe your favorite song, doing some push-ups, jumping jacks, I don't know, whatever the case may be to get you pumped up and excited to get on camera. It doesn't have to be scary. Usually we do need to improve on new things, and that's okay. It's part of the journey, because video helps you create your personal brand. And in the next video, I'm going to talk to you more about building that personal brand. So I'll see you there.